How would you like to make money doing the things you love to do? Have you figured out what you're passionate about? Do you think you can make money doing the things that you're passionate about? You think you can make money doing that? Well, in these next few videos, I will be talking about a simple system that can identify your passion and make money while doing it. So stay tuned. But there's some key instructions I need to tell you about first. So make sure you follow them. Number 1, close out of all other programs and turn off all distractions. And focus. Yes, focus. Number 2, do not skip ahead in this video, otherwise you may miss a crucial step. I will take you step by step through this process. And it's not that hard. Number 3, if you need to pause this video at any time to take notes, please feel free to do so. Number 4, please like this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Support this channel. And number 5, share this video on social media and with everyone you know. I'd appreciate it. And also, number 6, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Number 7, lastly, please leave a comment and tell me where you're from. I might have some opportunities in your country. Okay, so let's get on to the video tutorial.
Pursuit of Passion Video 4, Productize Your Passion. As I mentioned in the last video, selling products is a great way to monetize a blog, but you can create and sell your own products without having a blog. Ideally, you should have some access to an interested audience of people to buy your products. But even if you don't, you can still benefit by creating some. Now that you've done some research into your topic of interest and you know that you are not alone, you can rest assured that there are customers for your products. Ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge about a topic easily and independently. Typically, ebooks aren't expected to be hundreds of pages long, which make them much easier to write than a novel. The length isn't as important as the quality of information, but it should be more than just a few pages to make sure the buyers of it feel they've gotten their money's worth. As you know, many people purchase and read ebooks on their computers, smartphones or tablets on a regular basis. The key is to ensure that the information being provided is valuable. Even if you're writing on a topic that you're very knowledgeable about, do some research to make the book the best it can be. Make a video. If you prefer talking to writing, a video course is another way to monetize your passion. All you need is a camera that can shoot video, a tripod and an easy video editing program. Most computers, both Mac and PC, come with a basic video editing program. Macs come with iMovie and PCs come with Windows Movie Maker. However, if your computer doesn't have either, you can download Adobe Premiere Elements, which is another easy-to-use video editing program that works on both operating systems. You can download a trial to practice using it with limitations and then upgrade for less than $100. Once you have the technical tools, you're ready to record, but now you need a plan for your course. 1. Determine the goal of your course or your desired outcome. It helps to know the end result of the course, then you can work backwards. 2. Write out the steps required to meet your desired outcome. Make sure you write it in the correct order, as if you're going to tell someone how to do it in writing. 3. Decide how many videos you want in the course. Try to keep the course nice and tight, but don't cram too much in one video. Ideally, an online video should be no more than 10 to 15 minutes long. 4. Create a plan for what you will cover in each video. Don't write a script. You will be tempted to memorize it and won't sound natural in your videos. Give yourself an outline to make sure you touch on all of the steps. I had to in this case. I have laryngitis today when I was making this video. It makes it difficult to talk, so the computer is speaking for me today. Now that you have everything you need, it's time to record your videos. Make sure you do it in a quiet room with good lighting. Be clear but concise in your instructions. Practice a little if necessary. It might be odd to see yourself on camera if this is your first time, so do some test runs to get used to it. Make a webinar course. If you don't have a video camera or don't want to be on camera, you can do a webinar course that doesn't require that you be on camera in person. You will need to provide your voice and expertise, but that's it. The steps to creating a webinar course are similar to creating a video course. 1. Determine the goal of your course or your desired outcome. 2. Write out the steps required to meet your desired outcome. Make sure you write it in the correct order, as if you are going to tell someone how to do it in writing. 3. Decide how many modules you want in the course. Try to keep it nice and tight and don't cram too much information into one module. 4. Create a presentation in PowerPoint or a similar program. This will be your plan, but also provide visual materials for the people who will be participating in your webinar. If they can't see your lovely face, they should have a cool presentation to see. Once you have these pieces organized, use a program like Zoom.com, which has a free option which have limitations but may work when you're just starting out. If you're unsure how your products should look, do a web search for others that are similar to what you'd like to create. The web is a great repository of products that have been created and can be used to provide an example that you can work from. Ideally, you would have a website or blog that you could use to market your products, but that isn't necessary. There are online marketplaces like ClickBank and Pay.com where individuals can sell information products that they create. There are pros and cons to all online digital marketplaces. Do your research and make sure you read the fine print carefully. Many people don't pay much attention to the terms listed on most websites, but if you're selling your products, it's important that you do. You want to make sure that you understand and truly agree to those terms before you click to create an account and start selling your products. That is it for today's lesson. Come back tomorrow when we will discuss how to scale up your business. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified when it's ready.
Well, that's it for today's video, and hope you got some valuable information. Please click on the like button to jog that YouTube machine. Please also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Please also leave a comment down below and share this with everyone you know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and go make money now. See you in the next video. Take care.